Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get active developer badge on Discord. So for that I will be providing two links in the description for these pages and just open them one by one. So first of all, copy this link and paste it in your browser to open it up, and after that click on new application. Then type the name of the bot that you want. So it can be anything, bot Y. Then check this box and click on create. After that, click on bot on the left hand side and click on add bot. Click on yes, do it. Wait for it to load, and after that open up your Discord and then create a new community. For that, scroll down and then click on add a server, and here click on create my own. Then select for a club or community, then just click on create. After that, go to your server settings, and for that click on the top, and here you will find this option of settings. Then go to enable community option, and here click on get started. Then tick the both boxes on this tab and click on next. Then click on next, and here check this box of I agree and understand. Then click on finish setup. After that, open up the second link that I have provided in description, and here click on next. Then for application ID and public key, you need to head up to developer website, and here go to general information, scroll down and you will see application ID over here. Copy it and paste it on this platform. Copy the public key and paste it on this platform. Then click next, and in the URL section just copy this URL and go to the developer website and scroll down. Then you will find this option of interactions endpoint URL. Just paste this URL over here and click on save changes. Now go to authentication on left hand side, and here you will have to get this client secret key for our next step, and that's why we are here. Then click on reset secret, click on yes, do it. After that, just copy this client secret and paste it over here. Then click on next, and here click on this link. It will open up this way. Now select the server that we just created and click on authorize. Now close it up and click next over here. Now go to the server on Discord, the server that we just created, and here type /finish and hit enter, and you will get the badge from this link within 24 hours. So just open it up and check it out. Within 24 hours you will be getting your active developer badge, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.